Buddha is traveling with his disciple Ananda. They are both tired. They want to reach the next town before sunset. They are rushing fast as possible. But Buddha has become old and Ananda himself is older than Buddha. They are worried that perhaps they will have to stay in the forest for the night, that they will not be able to reach the nearby town. They ask an old man, a farmer, who is working in his field, "How far is the town?" And the old man says, "Not very far. Don't be afraid. It is just 2 miles at the most. You will reach it." Buddha smiles. The old man smiles. Ananda cannot understand what's going on. 2 miles passed. There is no town yet, and they are even more tired now. An old woman is collecting wood, and Ananda asks her, "How far is the village?" And she says, "Not more than 2 miles. You have already reached it. Don't be worried." Buddha laughs. The old woman laughs. And Ananda looks at both and says, "What is this laughter?" And after 2 miles, there is still no town. They ask a third man, and again the same answer and the same situation. And Ananda drops his bags and says, "I'm not going to move anymore. I'm so tired, and it seems we are never going to cross these 2 miles. 3 times we believed. But one question arises in my mind. Living with Buddha for almost 40 years, he has learned to believe with such a man not to ask him unnecessary questions. And he says, "Now, if it is unnecessary or necessary, I don't care. One thing, you have to tell me why you were laughing when the old man and the lady said, 'Just 2 miles,' and nothing more than that. What was this laugh for? You don't know them, they don't know you." Buddha smiled and said, "Our profession is the same. When I laughed, they laughed. They understood that this man belongs to the same kind of profession, where you have to keep people encouraged. Just 2 miles, just a little more," he added. "For my whole life, I have been doing that. Then people finally reach. But from the very beginning, you tell them 15 miles. They will drop then and there. But by 2 miles and 2 miles, they will pass 200 miles." And I laughed at those people because I know this village. I visited this village. I know it is not 2 miles. But I keep quiet because you were so eager to know how far it was. I knew that we were not going to make it. But what was the harm? You could ask them. You can understand a deep phenomenon of human psychology. These people are compassionate people. They were not lying, but encouraging you. The first old man pushed us 2 miles, and then the second old woman pushed another 2 miles. The third man pushed 2 miles. You just needed a few more people, and you would have reached the town. But now you have dropped your bag. It is okay. We can stay here under this big tree. The town is still not 2 miles.